Ladies, gentlemen, let no family, no friends, no co-workers, no church sisters, no church brothers, no pastor, no prophet, no apostle, no bishop, don't let none of them choose who them like or love for you.
Family, Jamaican woman don't believe in taking care of a man. Along with some other Caribbean women out there, they don't believe in taking care of their man. And they have no respect to their man too. See? Jamaican woman, they talk to their man and talk down on their man in some ways. They say, yo, shit. Hey, woman can really talk to man them way there. Yeah, Willie Palmer out there go through that right now. See? Jamaican woman feel say, yo, their man, they wash their man clothes. See? Cook their man food. See? African woman, it amazes me how I see them deal with them man. They look on them man as king. They make sure say, yo, them man good, them man comfortable. See? Enough Jamaican man right now very uncomfortable in them situation with them woman. See? Because our woman, they no culture to take care of man. They culture to disrespect man. See? Yes. And I'm not joking from. Me not this is Jamaican woman them. But at the reality me attack. Holy man out there cry and are silent enough for them Jamaican woman right now. Because they are very disrespectful.
Ladies, if you don't know the cheat on a man good, I want to comment on the video and write good wife. Yeah, just put good wife on the comment section. I am a good wife, I am a good woman to my husband or my boyfriend or whatsoever. Because the man said Jamaican woman don't know if he cheat them man. Viewers and subscribers, people from all over, Canada and England, everybody wants to know Jamaican. On comment on the video. On cheat on a man good? Is it true what the boss has said in a video? Let me know. The experience that I have with couple Jamaican woman. Okay? Them cheat me bad. Yeah. When me younger, then cheat me bad. But since me get older now, then start cheat me good. Yeah. So me have bad experience and me have good experience. Would I say all Jamaican women are the same? No. But I have my fair bit of differences in my relationships, whether past or now. You understand? So, my honest opinion, if I should grade Jamaican woman, I would say some of them really generous, some of them caring, some of them loving, and some of them lie. You understand? That are the truth. Some of them lie. So, that is my experience. But I not go bash them and say Jamaican woman. But you don't know, you look a comedian youth, I say come and give like a 2 cents. Big up yourself, my general. You don't know. But anyway, the video I'm going to play now, I want to listen clean and learn. This is a powerful message from this lady. You don't know her. She's a pastor. But she is telling us, say, if you choose phone yourself and not make family choose phone. Watch and listen.
Ladies, gentlemen, let no family, no friends, no co-workers, no church sisters, no church brothers, no pastor, no prophet, no apostle, no bishop, don't let none of them choose who them like or love for you. Choose who your heart love and need. At the end of it, you are going to live with the person. Too many people make family, friends, church people, leaders choose for them. And when your heart, not did it, but because them choose for you, especially only in the church. And that's why a lot of no marriage unhappy. Because too many of them make leaders that choose for you. Our pastor say, bishop say, prophet say, are they God? Or who God choose to me and who my heart choose. No pastor, no bishop, no prophet can choose nobody for me. No family. No friends. Because none of you can choose for them. But they want to choose to you. Make who God have chosen for you and who your heart. Too many people are with people that are family, and my mother love that one day. My father love that one day. My sister love that one day. But do you love that person? Oh, Bishop say, God say. Did God tell you? Oh, my church sister said the Lord tell her say. I am not going to say that God will not speak to them and tell them. Yes, God can. And God will tell you himself too. But too many leaders today are choosing who them like and who them love for people in a ministry. And then when you're with that person, deep down in your heart, you know love that person. Your mind upon somebody else. Stop making no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie say, oh, me like that guy there. I don't want them, me that want to see you because them like it. You please them and displease yourself. Be with who your heart desire. And stop be with person because of what they have. Material things will go. Horse can go, car can go. But love remain. Let us not go say love can buy food. A lot of people today who have money, I love them did stand pan and they never give up on each other. And see them there today. But a lot of people today, they want you to be with that person because that person has a certain job. They want you to be with that person because that person they travel. They want you to be with that person because they have a certain car. They want you to be with that person because they have a house. They want you to be with this. They want you to be because of what they can get. Not because them. Because some of your family, we are telling us to be with that person, they be with that. Because of where the person have, no, because they genuinely love the person much less you. Because then they genuinely love you. Them are going to tell us to be with somebody who you and his heart or you and her heart click. Stop let on a family. Choose for no. Choose for no self. Better on make for no mistake. Because a lot of people out there today where family choose them friends. Oh, that girl there, that fit, you know. You understand me? Oh, be with that girl there, she have this, she have that. Be with that guy there, yo, he have this and he have that. No true friend not going to influence them friend. To be with somebody because of what the person have. I say, listen, I know so that girl is a good girl, you know. And life can build between you and her, you know. I know that guy is a good guy. Life can build between you and him. But too many people today are because of what people have. It's like love no more. It's what you have that me need. It's not until death do part no more. It's until you're broke. Until you're sick. Until me can't give you $5,000 every week anymore. Me can't give you 150 grand and say go to supermarket as well me use 125. You give somebody $10,000 today, I want to what this year give me. But then forget when you used to give to them. But some of these people nowadays ain't ready eye. That of them look on other people life on social media and you don't know what is behind the social media. A lot of them, lot of couple who sleep on social media show this and show that. If you come off of social media and should ever have a life, you see behind social media, a lot of you that top bad mind and envy people when you sleep on social media. And everything on you see out there glitter and a shine before you, a gold. Lot of them try to play out gold before you know. That's why this a one woman, me no come on social media, come pretend and go on as if. Me battered, me torn, me bruised, me wounded. Me been lie up and me get used, name it rejected. You understand me? Me no hide my past, me no hide my testimony. You hear what I said? Stop let people choose for you. Choose who you love, who you need. So men, stop making a friend because if you no text it today, the same friend ain't gone. The same friend tell the same woman say left him. Come to them. Never another friend can link you on. Women, love who your heart needs. Because the same friend who are family, I tell us, listen, they with him because this. If him take sick tomorrow, them same one tell us to left him. Because they never genuinely love the person. And because what them know so them have. Other family, they have few dollars, you know. Me want put my son or my daughter in it. Love who your heart love. Need who your heart need. Not who your family like, not who your friend like, not who a bishop say, not who a pastor say, prophet say. And you see, uno in our church. That's why so many are we're in a church. We body did it, but we soul not saved. We are wearing ring, but we not happy. Someone don't need to go take up their ring there. I know will never like Shanona because of the truth. Lot of leader to a married, a next leader tell him say God say. A lot of leader, next leader say listen, the lady there, that man there no. And today them unhappy. And only church sister and church brother unhappy in a marriage. Lot of leader. A lot of leader. You know, make family push on you in a sitting. Stop. Cause a lot of we are going to lose with life because our friend tell we family say, because you know love that person, you're unhappy. Your mind is elsewhere. So you can't focus on your mind because that is not the person your heart love. You don't need to stop. Nobody but God. Nobody. That's why I thank God for my two mommy when me have. They always tell me anybody you carry come to me and say, this is the person you love. We have to accept him. Because you love him. Stop be with somebody who you not love. But because our mother say, father say, brother say, sister say. Cut out then say the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth is against that. Love who your heart love. And stop be with people because what people say. Them a come tell you say, this say. And lot of them a tell lie, but God tell them say. And God not tell them say nothing. And them a say it. Because they know where them a go can gain from it. But they don't give a shit about you. If them didn't care about you, them not tell us if you love the person for who them is, not for what they have. Choose who your heart love. Choose who and stick with who God give you. Stop be with people because mother say, father say, brother say, uncle say, pastor say, prophet say, this, that say. The blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, man. Let the people them be with who them love. You know, stop choosing, oh, me like him, me like her, so take him. I go with someone if you go. Go